Welcome back to Talk Easy English, the podcast that helps you learn English and grow stronger every day. Today's episode is called Believe in You, Turn Dreams into Reality. If you are a student, a worker, a parent, or anyone with a dream in your heart, stop everything and listen. This is for you. You wake up. The alarm rings. You feel tired. Maybe yesterday didn't go well. Maybe someone said, you can't do it. Maybe you look in the mirror and think, I'm not good enough. Stop. Take a deep breath. Now hear this. You are not your mistakes. You are not your fears. You are not what others say. You are a person with power inside. Power to change. Power to grow. Power to make your dreams real. Let's start simple. Say it with me. I believe in myself. Say it again, louder. I believe in myself. Good. Now say it every morning. Say it when you feel small. Say it when the world feels big. Because belief is not just a word. It is a seed. Plant it. Water it with action. And one day, it becomes a tree of success, a tree of happiness. Many people want success. They want good jobs. They want respect. They want love. But they wait. They wait for someone to say, you are ready. They wait for luck. They wait for perfect timing. But here's the truth. Success doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who believe and move. Look at any great person. Thomas Edison. He failed 1,000 times before he made the light bulb. Did he stop? No. He said, I didn't fail. I found 1,000 ways that don't work. J.K. Rowling. 12 publishers said no to Harry Potter. She was a single mom with no money. But she believed. She kept writing. Today, millions read her books. What do they have in common? Belief. Strong, quiet, powerful belief. Now let's talk about you. Yes, you. The one listening right now. You have a dream. Maybe you want to speak English fluently. Maybe you want to start a business. Maybe you want to travel the world. Maybe you just want to be happy. That dream is alive. It's breathing. It's waiting for you to say, yes, I will try. But belief is not easy. Doubt comes. Fear comes. People come. They laugh. They say, it's too hard. You're too old. You're too young. You don't have money. You don't have time. Listen to me. Impossible is not a fact. It's an opinion. And it's not your opinion. It's theirs. You don't have to carry it. Let me tell you a small story. There was a boy. He was poor. He failed in school. Teachers said he will never learn. His father said, you are useless. But one day, a teacher gave him a book. The boy read it slowly, word by word. He didn't understand everything, but he didn't stop. He believed one thing. If I keep reading, I will improve. Years later, that boy became a writer. He wrote books that helped millions. His name? You don't need to know, because the hero is not him. The hero is belief. Now, let's practice English together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Ready? I believe in myself. Repeat loudly. My dreams are possible. Say it with a smile. Every day, I get better. Feel the power. Failure is my teacher, not my enemy. Nod your head. I am stronger than yesterday. Stand up and say it. Good. See? You just spoke English. You just believed. You just grew. Let's go deeper. What stops most people? 3 things: fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of hard work. Let's break them one by one. First, fear of failure. You try, you fall. You feel shame, but listen, falling is not failing. Quitting is failing. Every baby falls when learning to walk. Do we say, "Oh, that baby failed"? No, we clap. We say, "Try again." Be your own cheerleader. Fall? Get up. Fall again? Get up faster. Because every fall teaches you balance. Every tear teaches you strength. Second, fear of judgment. People talk. Let them. Your life is not their story. Your dream is not their business. When they laugh, smile. When they say no, say, "Watch me." The world loves to pull dreamers down, but dreamers fly anyway.
Third, fear of hard work. Yes, it's hard. Learning English is hard. Waking up early is hard. Saying no to excuses is hard. But hard is not bad. Hard is the price of great. Diamonds are made under pressure. Muscles grow with weight. Dreams grow with effort. So, what do you do today? Start small. One step. Just one. Want to speak English? Learn 5 new words today. Use them in a sentence. Want a better job? Update your CV. Send 1 email. Want to be fit? Walk for 10 minutes. No gym, just walk. Want to be happy? Write 3 things you are thankful for. Small steps, big belief. That's the formula. Let's do one more practice. I will give you positive sentences. You read them. You say them. You live them. I am not perfect, but I am trying. My past does not control my future. Every effort counts, even if no one sees. I choose faith over fear. Today, I take 1 step toward my dream. Excellent. You are doing it. You are speaking. You are believing. You are becoming. Now, a challenge for you. Before you sleep tonight, do this. Close your eyes. See your dream. See it clearly. Say, "I believe in you." Your name. You will make it. Write 1 action you will take tomorrow. Put it where you can see it. Do this for 30 days. Just 30. And watch. Watch how belief changes everything. Remember, you don't need permission to believe in yourself. You don't need perfect English. You don't need money. You don't need time. You just need you. The you that says, "I will not give up." The you that says, "My dream matters." The you that says, "I believe in me." One day, you will look back. You will see the tears, the doubts, the nights you wanted to quit, and you will smile because you didn't stop. You believed, you moved, and your dream? It became real. So, my friend, this is your moment. Not tomorrow, not next week, now. Stand up, speak up, step up. The world is waiting for your story, and it starts with 1 word: believe. Thank you for listening to Easy English. If this episode helped you, share it with 1 person. Tell them you can too. Practice the sentences, do the challenge, and come back next week. We will learn more English. We will grow more belief together. You are stronger than you know, braver than you feel, closer to your dream than you think. Believe in you. Turn dreams into reality. See you next time. Keep shining. Keep believing. Goodbye.